high above the mountains, beyond the reach of ordinary life. A shadow rules the sky. Silent, powerful, unstoppable. An eagle's body is built for one purpose: domination. Every feather, every muscle, every movement is designed for hunting. Its wings can stretch over 7 feet wide, allowing. For thousands of years, humans have looked at the eagle with fear, respect, and admiration. Because this is not just a bird. Its talons strike with crushing force, powerful enough to break bone instantly. Its claws are very sharp and strong for attack and hunt. The king of the sky. Fish, rabbits, snakes, even animals larger than itself. Their nests can weigh over a ton, growing larger every single year. Some eagles have even been seen hunting wolves and deer from cliffs. A terrifying reminder that power is not measured. The mother eagle used to feed her chicks and takes care like other animals do. But survival begins immediately. The mountains show no mercy. Only the strongest chicks survive the freezing winds, hunger, and deadly falls. And that is the one who will be fearless, never afraid to attack. Become the one of the strongest king in the sky. While most birds hide from storms, the eagle rises into them. Using powerful winds to climb higher, stronger, faster. This is why the eagle became a symbol of power across civilizations. Empires, armies, and kings all chose the eagle to represent. From ancient Rome to modern nations, the eagle remains a symbol of freedom and strength. But even kings can fall. Feels one. Habitat destruction, pollution, and human activity have pushed many eagle species toward extinction. Poisons in rivers kill fish, and the poison climbs the food chain, reaching the eagle itself. Some species nearly disappeared forever, their skies falling silent. But conservation efforts gave hope once again. And slowly, the king returned to the skies. The eagle does not rule with numbers. It rules with presence. It reminds us that true power is calm, focused, fearless. Above the storms, above the mountains, the eagle still watches the world below, silent, patient, intouchable. Because some creatures are not simply animals. They become legends. And among all rulers of the wild, the eagle will forever remain the king of the sky.